Hi there, students. An heirloom. An heirloom. Okay, an heirloom is an object that has been passed down through the generations. It's the patrimony. So this ring is an heirloom. Yeah, it's something that has gone through various generations of the family. Yeah, it's an article of personal property that passes to the heirs. Yeah, so an heirloom. Everybody has heirlooms. Yeah, a valuable object that's been given by older members of the family to younger members of the same family. So, valuable. Does it have to be valuable? I don't think an heirloom has to be valuable. I think it just has to be handed down over the years and to have emotional value. Okay, so yeah, a family heirloom, something that has been passed down through the years. This trumpet is a family heirloom. Okay, a piece of property that has gone down through generations. The cross that you are wearing is a family heirloom. Yeah, it's an heirloom. It's an ornament or some other object that's belonged to a family for a very long time and been handed down from one generation to the next. Yeah, okay, so it's a piece of property that goes down through the generations. I'm sure you've all got your own heirlooms from your great great grandmother or even further back, or maybe not, it depends. Yeah, it's a possession that is passed down through the various generations that goes on in time. Okay, so yeah, a family heirloom. I think anything could be a family heirloom. It's something that is passed to one's heirs. Your patrimony as well. I guess a country could have heirlooms. The beautiful buildings or beautiful objects could be heirlooms of the country. Now notice I've just been talking about people, but also in agriculture, in horticulture, you have the word an heirloom. An heirloom plant. This is a variety, a seed, a fruit that used to be used, yeah, but is no longer grown commercially. Yeah, before about the 1950s, everybody had their own particular type of seed that they would use, and this would go run forward through various generations. Now, heirloom plants are these old-fashioned plants that come from earlier periods in human history. They before large-scale agriculture. Okay, and these heirloom plants, some of them are even prehistoric, but they have different qualities. Maybe they have a good flavour, or they're resistant to a particular type of disease. And farmers used to save seeds, and like that you had heirloom breeds of various different things. So, heirloom. I need to do the formality as well. Okay, so heirloom. 6 in formality, use absolutely anywhere. And then, as to origin, it comes from heir. The heir, H-E-I-R, the person who inherits. The person who inherits, and loom, a utensil, a tool. So a tool for the heirs. I think, yeah, if you have your parents' tools, then you can continue working in the same profession, doing the same thing, and therefore heirloom is the tool that goes to the heirs, which goes down through the generations to maintain the family business, or to give your sons a way of earning their livelihood. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Heirloom.